Of course, not all integrals fit into the nice categories of rules, but with patience and ingenuity, we can evaluate them. So let's look at this particular example, because this isn't quite what those formulas are talking about, but it's very close. If we let u be equal to the natural log of x, then du would be 1 over x dx. Sorry, my pen got weird there. Which would be this piece and this piece, right? All right, well then let's rewrite it. So then what we're really talking about is the integral of secant to the fourth of u, and then du. And at this point, we can use our reduction formulas, but the secant one. So the secant reduction formula, let me pull it up right here, is right there. Ooh, and it's a doozy. It's got all sorts of mess in here. So you'll notice for our particular problem that n is 4, right? So I'll just make a little note right there. Okay, so let's rewrite this with the reduction formula. This is equal to, oh, and we better say, we're using reduction formula number 4. Okay, so we'll say it's secant squared, because it says to the n minus 2. So 4 take away 2 is 2. So secant squared of x times the tangent of x all over n minus 1, which is 3, plus, and then 2/3 integral secant squared of x dx. Oh, except this is u. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I'm sorry. I forgot that we're not using this for x. We're using this for u. So everywhere there was an x, we'll have a u right here. Like that. All right. Dx. Now this is setting off little alarm bells, because you might think, oh no, we need to use the reduction formula again, but we don't, because secant squared is of course one of the basic rules that we learned in Calc 1. The integral of secant squared is tangent. So this one, because of number 14 on the quick reference sheet, we can use. So let me just say that. Okay, so then we can rewrite this. I'm going to pull this out as a third. So this is, oh, not the same color I was using. All right, so this is 1/3. And then that's secant squared u tangent u plus 2/3. And then according to that quick reference sheet, this would be the tangent of u plus c. Now I'll add my plus c constant of integration, because I finally have finished all my integration. All right, so then now all I'll have to do is put back in what u was. U was the natural log of x. So this is 1/3 secant squared of the natural log of x, tangent of the natural log of x, plus 2/3 tangent of the natural log of x, plus c. Me personally, I noticed that there's a third in both of these and a tangent. We could pull a third tangent of the natural log of x out, and then that would leave us secant squared of the natural log of x plus 2, right? And then plus your constant. That would also work. So this problem used u substitution, it used a reduction formula, and it used also that integral secant squared on the quick sheet formula in order to make it all work.